Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to sign out from an email account in Outlook. This is particularly useful when you need to switch between different email accounts or if you're using a shared computer and want to ensure your account information is protected. Let's walk through this process step by step. First things first, you'll need to open your Microsoft Outlook app on your computer. Once the application launches, go ahead and log into your account using your credentials. This will load all your emails and allow you to access the settings we'll need to complete the sign out process. Give it a moment to fully load your inbox and other folders before moving forward. Now that everything has loaded properly, it's time to access the File menu. Look towards the top part of your screen where all your tools and menu options are located. You'll see a tab labeled File among other options like Home and Send. Click on File to open the menu. This is where most of your account management settings live, making it the perfect starting point for signing out. Once you've clicked on File, a menu will appear on your screen. Direct your attention to the right side of this menu. Here you'll find an option called Account Settings with a small drop-down arrow next to it. Click on this drop-down to reveal additional options. From the list that appears, select Account Settings again. This will open a new window specifically dedicated to managing all your email accounts within Outlook. In the Account Settings window that appears, you'll see a list of all email accounts currently configured in your Outlook application. Take a moment to locate the specific email account you wish to sign out from. Once you've found it, click on it to select it. The account will be highlighted to show it's been selected. Now, with the account selected, look for the Remove button, typically located near the top of this window. Click on Remove. This is essentially the sign-out process for Outlook, as it removes the account from the application entirely. And there you have it. You've successfully signed out from your email account in Outlook. If you ever need to access that account again, you can simply add it back by logging in through the same account settings menu. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.